Welcome back to Lavanya's computer classes. In this video, I will explain what is graph and terminology of graph. So first I will go for what is the definition of a graph. So what is graph means graph is represented with the letter G. G equal to V comma E. It is a collection of V comma E. So what is V means V is the set of vertices and E is the edges. So what is G means? G is a graph and it is the collection of vertices and edges. So in this graph, graph is represented with the capital letter G. So V is a vertex, collection of vertexes. So collection of vertexes are known as vertices. Vertices are represented with circle, dot or circle. So these are the representation of vertices. Dot or circle. Edge is represented with either line or arc. These are the representation of edges. So what is graph means? Graph is represented with G. G equal to V comma E, set of vertices and edges. Vertices are represented with dot or circle and edges are represented with line or arc. So these are some examples. Capital E is equals to edge set and capital V equal to collection of vertices. Some example. Here I will take this is the example for graph. This is simple example for graph. In this example, 1, 2, 3, 4 are vertices, vertex set and capital E equal to these are the edges. These are the edges. Edges are represented like E1, E2, E3, E4. So E equal to it is a collection of E1, E2, E3, E4. So what is E1? E1 means edge. Edge is between vertex 1 and vertex 2. So E1 is equals to 1 comma 2. That means it is the edge between vertex 1 and vertex 2. Next E2. What is E2? E2 is here. E2 is the edge between vertex 2 and vertex 3. So E2 is 2 comma 3. Next E3. So here E3 is the edge. It is between 3 and 4. The vertex is between 3 and 4 edge is there, that is called as E3. Next one is E4. E4 is an edge, it is between 1 and 4. So just write E4. E4 is equals to 1 comma 4. So this is called as vertex set. Vertex set is represented with capital V. So how many vertexes are there means 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 vertexes are there in this example and all vertex set is represented with capital V. Next capital E. Capital E means set of edges. So how many edges are there means there are 4 edges are there E1, E2, E3, E4. So E1, E2, E3, E4 is a collection of edges. Then we write what is the E1. E1 is an edge, it is between vertex 1 and 2. Right, like this we can write the graph. So this is a simple example of a graph.